India is an unnatural state. It is destined to be divided into 7 pieces. These 7 pieces will become 7 independent and prosperous countries. Pakistan had already separated from India in 1947. Kashmir is occupied by India through brute force. Kashmir will gain freedom from India despite all the oppression and cruelty. All these tactics of India have failed in the state. This Muslim majority state will become a part of Pakistan. Next is Khalistan, where the dream of an independent homeland for the Sikh is going to be fulfilled soon. The Tamil region located in the south of India has never been a part of India historically. And due to the exploitative policies of the Indian central government, the people of this region are fed up. They will be able to preserve their history, culture and language by forming a separate country. And this new country will be Dravida Nadu. The people of Bengal never accepted the imperialist trick of dividing Bengal. The Brahmin racists of North India always look down on Bengalis, and the brave Bengalis want eternal freedom from this hatred, and the new state will be Greater Bengal. The 7 states located in the northeast of India are known for their natural beauty and mineral resources, but the people here have been fighting an armed struggle for their independence for decades. The armed movement in Manipur and Nagaland is nearing its end. These states will together form a new country, the 7 Sisters. The majority population of Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim is geographically close to China. China has even put Arunachal Pradesh on its official map. Both these states will become part of China. In the end, Hindu Rashtra will be left, where there will be no natural resources, no skilled people of the south, and no free access to the open sea. The remaining Hindu Rashtra will eventually implode due to inherent frictions among various Hindu castes. Surely, this unnatural state will be divided into parts. All the new independent countries formed will collaborate to shape a better and prosperous future for their people.